Health benefits of turmeric in winters and 5 turmeric-based drinks to have. Turmeric is a characteristic cell reinforcement and has mitigating properties. With winter comes a large group of infections. However, you won't not be hindered by them, assuming you realize how to forestall and fix these illnesses utilizing hand-crafted cures. Perhaps the best cure present in each Indian family is turmeric. It is one among the scope of regular items that are venerated in India. Turmeric is essential for Indian customary medication because of its recuperating properties. It is a characteristic cell reinforcement and furthermore has mitigating properties. Synthetics in turmeric help to recuperate from a typical cold, winter sinus, agonizing joints, and acid reflux. It likewise gives alleviation from sore throat and bacterial contamination, which are predominant during winters. Turmeric assists with helping the body's insusceptible framework to be versatile against numerous illnesses. The most effective way to receive the rewards of turmeric is to have it in our day-by-day diet. Enhancements or pills can't supplant crude turmeric with regards to medical advantages. Support your insusceptibility this colder time of year by appreciating turmeric-rich beverages. The following are 5 plans you can remember for your eating regimen. 1. Haldi ajwain ka pani. This straightforward beverage expects you to drench the ajwain or carom seeds in water for the time being. The following day, heat up this water with crude turmeric. Strain it and drink to help your well-being. 2. Turmeric masala milk. Make this deep-rooted recuperating refreshment with bubbled milk, turmeric, cinnamon powder, and dark pepper. You can likewise add sugar, honey or jaggery to taste. Serve it tepid. 3. Orange and ginger detox drink. Detox yourself with the decency of orange and turmeric in one beverage. Additionally, add a huge carrot to the formula and juice up every one of the fixings. Add squashed ginger. Mix the fundamental fixings and add lemon juice for a tart taste. 4. Turmeric milk punch. Make your beverage a touch more fascinating with coconut milk, nutmeg, honey, and cinnamon powder. Additionally, add ginger powder as it assists with supporting resistance. Embellish this beverage with cilantro branches and drops of stew oil. 5. Orange turmeric and vanilla yogurt smoothie. Orange juice becomes better when you transform it into a smoothie with turmeric, vanilla yogurt, and frozen banana. Add cinnamon for some extra zing. For pleasantness, add honey, and sprinkle pecans for a one-of-a-kind surface. Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press the bell button so you can get the latest information from my video. Thank you and happy watching.